everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to customize your iPhone home screen with iOS 14 and make it look aesthetically pleasing. I'll show you guys step-by-step method, but first you need to upgrade your iOS to iOS 14. I think it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah, without further ado, let's make our iPhone home screen fancy and unique. Let's go. Okay, I'll move a little bit this side so that I can put my screen up here. All right, screen recording. Okay guys, this is my home screen. This is how it looks like. It's very neutral, very nude, very simple, and it's totally up to you guys what kind of theme you want. I like very simple and neutral colors, so that's why my home screen look like this. So yeah, this is my home screen. Okay, so to customize your home screen you need two things. Firstly, you need Widgetsmith, this app. Go to App Store and download this app. And secondly, you need Shortcuts app. If you have deleted from your phone, because that should be in your phone already. If you have deleted that one from your phone, then make sure you go and download. This is how it looks like. It's called Shortcuts, and the other one is Widgetsmith. So now let's get started. It's very simple, and my home screen looks so much better compared to before. Okay, so once you download your Widgetsmith, then you just have to go to click on that Widgetsmith, and then once you click on that one, you will get like a small widgets, then medium widgets, and then large widgets. So when I first downloaded, I was so confused, like what are these things. So you don't have to worry, it's like a choice what kind of screen do you like on your home screen. So if you like the small one, you can choose one of the small one. If you like medium one, you can choose medium. If you like large, you can choose large. So for calendar, I personally like medium. I'm going to choose one of the medium Widgetsmith. And okay, which one? These are the one that I've already edited. So but that black and white, that's how it's gonna look like when you download it for the very first time. So yeah, okay, when I click on medium one, you will get this kind of option, and you just have to click on that calendar, and here you will get like this option. If you like just time and date, like a very short version, you also have like that style. So these are some of the style that you can choose from. Okay, so I like dates, so I'm gonna choose one of the dates, and let's see. Okay, September, this one, I'm going to choose this one. And then once you choose that one, you also get like to choose which font. All right, I like this one, and then you also get like I like that New York one, and then you also get to choose colors. These are some of the colors that is already there, but you can also customize your own color. So once you scroll down, then there's like custom, and then you can make it any color. So I like let's keep like a nude. Okay, let's keep white, the text color. And then you also get, because the right now background color is black, so you can also make it into very unique color. So you will get this kind of option, but still you need to go all the way down. There's like some option, pastel, pink, pale, a lot of colors. So yeah, when you click on one of those color, you can also choose that one, or you go all the scroll all the way down, and then there is like an option called custom, and then that one, when you click on that one, you will get like a option to customize your calendar background. So you can do that one, or you can choose, there are a lot of beautiful colors here you can choose from. I like to have like pale pink, so I'm gonna choose that one. And then border color, it's totally up to you. So I like to have white border, or you can just choose not to have border. So I chose, yeah, that's it. And then you just have to go back on that arrow, go back, and then you will get this option. See, now you have like customize calendar. You go to save button, and then yeah, it's safe now, it's safe. So but make sure you keep in mind like in which one did you choose, like because these are the calendar, medium, hashtag 2 are the one that I've already edited before, so that's why I'm not using. So I'm using medium 4, so keep that one in mind. Now go back to your home screen. So and then just think of, okay, this is the area, okay, this is the area that I wanted to edit. Let's say you just have to hold on your home screen for a while. Why is my camera so dark today? Always like that. Okay, you just have to hold for a while, and then can you see that plus sign in the left corner of your home screen? You just have to click on that one and scroll all the way down. You get Widgetsmith app right down. So once you click on that one, because and then you have to go to the medium, because you remember you chose medium. So go to medium, add widget, see, it will pop up right there. And once you put that one, you can also edit, like you can edit like which one was it, like the 1 or 2, or and then you will also get option to add photos. These are all in there, and then you can do again and again, put the small one and add pictures and like, but every time when you do, you have to go back to Widgetsmith again, the app one, go back, and then again you select, because these are already edited. So okay, now this time I'm gonna select the small one. So add widget, add small widget. When you click on there, and you will get one of those. I'm gonna click that Sunday 27 one, that is small 5, and then when you click in here, you will get all the options. Not just date and time, guys. You guys must be thinking like it's just the calendar and date and time. No, you can put photos. So I'm going to select one of like this one, the photo one, and then you can also download all the cute pictures and then aesthetic pictures from printers or from Google. I've downloaded all mine from printers, and some are from Google. And you click on that select photo, then you will get option, and then once you're done, okay, I've already downloaded few photos, so I'm gonna use this one. See, like this is so cute. And then again go back to that small arrow, and then you save and come back to the home screen again, and then okay, which screen are you editing? So I'm going to edit like this one again, and then you hold for a while and then click that plus sign, go all the way down to widget, and then this time you have added small one, so add widget, but that's not the one I have edited. So when you click on that, you will get the option called that, and then you will get the option like which one you edit Widgetsmith, and then because it's the small hashtag 5 one, and yeah, there you go. Okay, now to edit icons. That's the main thing. If you guys knew how to edit Widgetsmith, then please like let me know. If you don't, then you can always text me or message me in my Instagram. I will link my Instagram down below. Make sure you come out, and then I do answer to each and every one of your questions. So yeah, now let's edit our shortcuts and our icons. Some of you guys asked me how I got my that cute Instagram icon and all those, TikTok, YouTube, how did I do that? So this is very simple. So for this, you just have to go to shortcut app, and then on shortcut you go to the right corner, you have to press on that plus sign, and then you have to add action. Once you add action, you will get this option, and then you just have to press on scripting. Once you click on scripting, you will get that open apps. So you have to click on that open apps, then you have to choose which app. So I've already edited my Instagram, TikTok, so this time I'm going to do my Google and Safari. So I will just Safari app, I'm going to edit my Safari app. So yeah, you just have to click Safari app, see, and then you have to go to next, and then you have to write the name of I normally like to keep the same name because that's much more easier. So Safari Okay, now I've done it, and then you just click on done, and then it will just show on that shortcut, and then it will show on the shortcut screen, and then you have to click that 3 dots, and then you will get this option. When you get this option again, you have to click on that 3 dots, and then it will show like add to home screen. When you click on add to home screen, then this option will show, and then you have to click on that blue one, the Safari down there. Once you do that, you will get to upload icons. The icons are I have downloaded from Google, or I got from Pinterest, guys. You can like search for icon, like home screen icon for Instagram or YouTube, depending on which one you're looking for. So I've already downloaded some of those, and yeah, click on the choose photo, and once you do that, you'll get all the options. So I've already downloaded my Safari one, so this is the one, see. And once you choose that one, that's how it, and then you just have to add, and then done. Once you're done, your icon is here, guys. Once you're done, now here is my icon. This is like how it look how cute and simple it looks like. So you can edit like where you want to put. So it's already looking pretty good, guys. I have just done, and then you can do with every icon. You can do with your setting icon. This is my setting icon, like this one, documents, all the icons you can download from Google. So yeah, the only thing is you like just have to know how to. My home screen is already looking so good, but the last thing that you need to do is because you have already created a shortcut app, your original app is still going to be there. So what you are doing is now you just have to go see my Safari original app is still there. Just hold on your screen. Once you get there, click there, and then just click on remove from the home screen. When you remove from home screen, it will automatically go to app library, and then if you want back to your home screen, you can go to app library and then like put it back to your home screen. So since you have already created a shortcut version and the very aesthetic version of this one, so I'm gonna move that one to remove that one from home screen. So when you go back, these are all the app that is going to be. But yeah, that's very simple, guys. I don't know if I did good enough or not, but that's how I got my home screen. I am in love with it. If you guys want to ask me anything, you can always DM me on my Instagram. I'll always answer your question, guys. So I hope you guys learned something, or I hope it was helpful. I mean, it was good enough to help you guys achieve that customized home screens. But anyway, thank you so much for all your love and support. I'm close to 1000 subscribers. Thank you. If you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon to stay notified, and also follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.